Survival food doesn't have to taste like survival food. In fact, it doesn't even have to be used like survival food. Hey there, it's Leigh from 4 Patriots. With the holidays just around the corner, I thought it would be a great time to make one of my favorite Christmas desserts. And today I'm using this 4 Patriots fruit, veggie, and snack survival food kit. Before you roll your eyes or click away, hear me out. You will be shocked to see how easy and beautiful it comes out. This berry trifle is sweet and decadent and can be made with just 7 ingredients. Not to mention, it's gorgeous. This easy 7-ingredient recipe includes 1 small pound cake, a splash of juice, 2 packets of strawberry gelatin, 4 cups of water, 2 cups of vanilla pudding, 4 Patriots freeze-dried berries, and my favorite, whipped cream. First, we want to cut our pound cake into cubes, about this size. And then we'll add these pieces to the trifle dish and splash just a little bit of our juice over that layer. I'm using orange juice, but you can use any of your favorite juice. Now for the gelatin. I remember making this with my mom when I was a kid. I'm using classic strawberry jello and just following the directions on the box. Now that we're done whisking, go ahead and set half of the mix in the fridge for 30 minutes. We'll pour the other half of this mix over our cake layer in the dish. The other half will be used for the second layer. Now, here's what we've been waiting for, the star of our berry trifle. 4 Patriots freeze-dried berries from my fruits, veggies, and snack survival food kit. In these bags, I have delicious, fresh-tasting blueberries and strawberries. These berries are the best because they taste amazing and keep their flavor and freshness for up to 25 years. They taste great straight from the bag or with a handful of granola. Now, I'll sprinkle them into my gelatin layer. We're gonna let this firm up in the fridge for about an hour and a half before we add the next layer. Now, let's make our creamy layer. Today, I'm gonna use our 4 Patriots vanilla pudding mix. It only takes 5 to 7 minutes to make, then 30 minutes in the fridge. And it's delicious. Even my picky eaters love it. This is so easy. Just follow the directions on the package and you're good to go. Perfect timing. Let's get the rest of the gelatin out of the fridge while we wait for the rest of the trifle to firm up. This is the texture that we want, sort of like jelly. Let's layer this up. We'll add the pudding in a layer, the same way that we added the first layer, and then put it back in the fridge for about 30 minutes or so to settle. Now we're ready for that final layer of gelatin. I'm gently adding it to the top with a spoon so we don't disturb the other layers. And of course, more 4 Patriots berries. Adding fruit to a dessert makes it healthy, right? We'll give this one more cool down in the fridge and let that top layer set. Finally, my favorite part, whipped cream. If you're feeling wild, add more berries. This dessert is so simple to make and perfect for the holiday season. Before I go, make sure to come back and tell me how you like this recipe in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy holidays from 4 Patriots.